Hi everyone, welcome back to Steffi's Corner. My name is Steffi and I am a 52-year-old with combination skin, and today we're going to be doing an eye look for St. Patrick's Day. If that sounds like something you'd enjoy, then stay tuned. I'm going to start off priming my eyes with Milani Eye Primer. Since I have hooded lids, I'm going to do a second prime with this Lunan Aster. Otherwise my makeup transfers onto my hoods. This Lunan Aster has a little more color to it, so it covers up my veins and gives a better color to the eyeshadows. Now I'm going to set that with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder, translucent. And I used this Sigma. For the big reveal, we're going to be using the Juvia's Place Culture 2 palette. Look at those beautiful greens. So pretty. Alright, I'm going to start out putting this green here, that's festive, into the crease. And up onto the hood. Side. Bring it up just a bit. Now I look straight forward to see if I can see the color on my hoods. Just a little higher. Now I'm going to use a more dense flat brush and go in with Motherland on the lid. Flip it over and put this darker Fufu color, that outer corner. Just pack that on. Okay. I'm going to put just a little bit of that under that outer corner. Okay. Bring that up a bit to lift the eye. Now I'm going to take a little more of this Milani Eye Primer because it has no color. Just a little bit. And put that on the center of my lids. Just tap it. Now I'm going to take the color Kingdom and I'm going to put that with my finger on that eye primer. And then just blend it a little bit into that Fufu color. Pretty. Just blend that edge just a little bit more so it doesn't suddenly start or stop. There we go. I'm going to take a pencil brush, this Joss color here, It's a super, super shiny shimmer. I'm going to put it right on the inner corner, on the upper lid. So pretty. And bring it just a little bit into that kingdom color. And I'm going to take this Chua color here, light gold, and put it on the lower inner corner. Pretty, pretty. And take a liner brush and this yellow Woroba color. I'm going to put that below on the lower lash line here. And pull it up into that fufu color just a little bit. It's a little bit powdery, but that's okay. Take a fluffy brush and this color Palm Kennel. I'm going to blend that green on the upper part out just a little bit, just so we don't have harsh lines. There we go. I'll take that pencil brush, just bring that fufu back forward a little bit, but it doesn't get lost. Some tissue, fix that line. And I'm going to take this bright Lime Time Creations liner in Line Light. I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. Use this unique Moodstruck Epic eyelash primer. A little more volume. And I use a brown, so it'll really make that brown stand out a little better. Let that dry for just a minute. While that's drying, I'm going to use this Essence Brow. Just brush them backwards, give them a little more color. While that's drying, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Sky High in brown. This really separates and lengthens. Now I'm going to use this Too Faced Better Than Sex in brown, just to give me some volume to add to that length. One more coat. I'm going to take this YC Collection and Island Eyeliner. It's a green. I'm going to put that under my lashes. And that's just going to help darken that area so my lashes look a little more defined. I'm going to take this Thrive in the brown for my lower lashes. little flat brush and blend out the top of that darker color so that line is not so harsh. Now I'm going to put on the rest of my face. I've already put on my skincare. I'm going to put on this Unseen sunscreen for sun protection. Then I'm going to put on this Essence Hello Good Stuff as my primer. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Match Serum, and I'm halfway done with it. A little shake. And it does not work with the dropper very well. Now I'm going to use this Viera Neutral Beige Luxury Concealer. First time trying this one out, so we'll see how it goes. Very thick. That feels nice. Switching fingers to pick up any excess product. See how that does. We're going to set that all down with the Wet n Wild translucent powder, photo finish, and the Sigma powder brush. Now I'm going to use my bronzer, Physicians Formula in Endless Summer. This old BH Cosmetics brush. Pressing that to define that cheekbone. Jawline. Chin. Then use the tip for the side of the nose, under the nose, across the nose just above the tip, and under the bottom lip to make it look fuller. The forehead to make it look a little smaller. All the way up into the hairline, down to the outer brow, other side. I have a high brow, so I like to put the bronzer here to make it look a little bit smaller. And then just a little bit under the cheek right there. Both sides. Just to make that apple stand out a little bit. Now my good old L'Oreal True Match blush in N56 Apricot Kiss. Let's take a little angled brush and pop that on the outer cheek. A little bit on the nose. That's where the sun would hit. Make sure there's no harsh edges. I'm going to put on a little lip scrub. This is the e.l.f. lip scrub in espresso. For highlighter, I'm going to use this Laura Geller. It's Cheek to Chic Tropical Glow. I'm going to use the shade Dulce de Leche. Right here. Oof. Look at that. Wow. Just at the top of the cheekbone. Oh my goodness, that is something else. Tip of the nose. Brow bone. A little bit on the bridge. A little more on the tip of the nose. There we go. And then the Cupid's bow. Wow. Whew, that is bright. Bit on the forehead, just above the eyes. Now I'm going to take a little blush brush here and just kind of tone it down just a little bit. That's a bit bright. Oof. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Need some more blush. Let's use a bigger brush this time, because that highlight is so highlighting. See if we can't distract from it a little bit. Party, 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 party. Now we're going to line the lips. The Beauty Vault lip liner in Beau Babe, and then I'm going to use the e.l.f. High Shine Lip Gloss in Bitten Pink. That feels so good. I like to blend it all together with a big old fluffy brush. And we'll set it down with this Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Set Refresh Spray. It's a little heavy, so I have to hold it way back. Let's pull this hair down. That's the finished look. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. I would love to have you back to see more of my content. I did my nails also for St. Patty's Day, and yeah, I will link that up here if you want to go check it out. Y'all have a good day. Thank you. Bye.